हेलो प्रिय विद्यार्थी, सुप्रभात। आज मैं फिजिकल हेल्थ एजुकेशन क्लास 12 यूनिट 3 योगा एंड लाइफ स्टाइल का टॉपिक है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ योगा के बारे में बात करने। तो इम्पोर्टेंस योगा, इससे पहले आपने मीनिंग ऑफ योगा मेरी इससे पहले वाली पीपीटी में पढ़ी थी, पहले वाली क्लास में पढ़ी थी। तो आज हम जो शुरू कर रहे हैं इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ योगा। तो डियर स्टूडेंट, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ योगा, वैसे तो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस योगा की आप लोगों को पहले से पता है। तो आज हम इसके बारे में बात करते हैं इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ योगा। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू, बिफोर एक्सप्लेनिंग द इम्पोर्टेंस योगा, यू हैव टू रीड अबाउट द व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस, हाउ कैन वी से दैट इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस। तो योगा इज अ साइंस एज वेल एज एन आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग फॉर अ हेल्दी, हैप्पी एंड प्रॉस्परस लाइफ. Thus, its effect are mostly internal, outer also, but most effect it's in internal body parts. Regular practice of yoga develop and purify body and mind to its optimum level. It develops proper functioning of glands in a balanced form. It develops ability to control our sense organs to function properly. It helps to relieve our stress and tension to lead a peaceful life. It cures many chronic disease to benefit health of the individual. So you know that basically these all importance related our body, mind, peace. So we have to read about the in detail. First of all, you are watching here the first my topic written improve cardiovascular and respiratory system. So by the yoga asana pranayam we can improve our cardiovascular system and respiratory system. Yoga asanas and pranayam improve the efficiency of cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system, our heart working capacity, blood circulation, it can be proper. Thus, endurance is highly developed with a sufficient level of strength ability. So, by the yoga asanas, we can also improve the endurance and highly develop the sufficient level of strength ability. Its strength, respiratory muscles and organs to optimum level. So, by the yoga, we can improve cardiovascular and respiratory systems. Next, away from cardiac problems. You know that what many people they are suffering from the cardiac problem. So we can keep away to us from the cardiac problems. Practice of yoga cure and improve the efficiency of heart. It keeps us away from cardiac problems, heart and abdominal. Viscera get gentle massage by asana and pranayam. So by this we can keep away from cardiac problems. Next, proper functioning of digestive organs. So yogas, asanas, pranayams and its kriyas improve the efficiency of digestive systems. So proper function of digestive system, by the yoga, asana, pranayam we can improve our its kriyas improve our efficiency of digestive system. The digestive glands function properly. Moreover, it helps to develop the high level of immunity. So by the yoga asana we can improve our digestive organs, digestive system, and it can be the proper functioning. It can do proper functioning. Next, control over sense organs. So when we daily we are practicing yoga, asana, pranayam. So yoga practice develop the ability to control the sense organs. It develop them to function properly according to the individual needs. It also relax the body from its pain and thus stabilize the mind. So you know that the yoga and pranayam, all stage of the yoga is very important for controlling our sense organs. Next, relieve stress and tension. So you know that the many people today they are suffering from the many kinds of stress, tension. So by the yoga and pranayam, when we performing yoga, pranayam, asanas, we can relieve us from the stress and tension. So yoga relax the body and mind. It remove the stresses, tension and worries. Thus it freshness our mind and soul completely. Next, develop concentration. So various technique of yoga develop the concentration to great extent. Thus, memory recall ability increase. The meditation technique stabilize the deflected mind in proper directions. You know that the very important concentration today. Many students, many people, the main problem of the concentration. When we are studying, when we are reading, we are not turning. We can't learn properly. That's why we have to improve our concentration. So, why the yoga, asana, pranayam, and meditation we can develop our concentration power. Next, good posture and toning of body muscles. So yoga asana, when we perform the tones of the body and its muscles, it shapes the body to look attractive. You know that today everyone want to look attractive. So why when we performing yoga asana pranayam, our posture will be good and our body muscles toning will be well. So it reduces the excessive fat from the body, thus prevent obesity. It also regulate the proper diet according to individual needs. So when we perform all kinds of the yoga, so we can get the good posture and we can improve our body muscles. Next, remove orthopedic problems. So many types of chronic orthopedic problems like arthritis, joint pain, spondylitis, backache, etc. can be prevented and cured through the yoga. So today you know that many people they are suffering from the many kinds of the orthopedic problems, mostly arthritis, joint pains, knee pain, spondylitis, backache. So like this, all kinds of the problems we can also prevent and cure by the yoga asanas. Next, cure disease. So many kinds of the disease can be cured by the yoga practices. The yoga practices prevent and cure many types of disease like cold, cough, asthma, gastric problem, constipation, piles, high blood pressure, diabetes. So there are many kinds of disease. It can be cured by the yoga practices. Next, prevent premature aging. So yoga technique prevent premature aging. Thus old age factor can be delayed and optimum healthy living can be attained. When we perform the yoga performance in proper way, we can delay our age, because you know that when we perform the our internal organs can we do the proper work. That's why we can keep young to us for the long time. So it's very important for us to prevent premature aging. Next, improve the health and hygiene. So by the yoga practice we can improve the health and develop hygienical habits of the individual. Thus healthy, happy, peaceful, prosperous life can be achieved. So yoga practice is very important for us and it can be the improve our hygienical habits. So I think that you have understood about the different topic of the importance of the yoga. Now you have to read about the asanas as preventive measures. So dear student, asana as preventive measures. Asana is the third step of yoga in Ashtanga Yoga after Yam and Niyam. Asanas are slow stretching activity in which the holding of body postures bring stability of body and pose to mind. Asana are categorized under the three types such as cultural asana for body fitness, meditative and relaxative asana for improving mental activity, therapeutic asana for curing various health problems. So dear student, we can also improve these asanas, the cultural asana for the body fitness, meditative and relaxative asana for the improving mental activities, and therapeutic asana for curing various health problems. So basically, we have to read about the in this topic uh, about the asana as a preventive measures. So you know that when we starting the any kinds of the asanas of yogas, so first of all we have to perform the Surya Namaskar. So Surya Namaskar is very important for us, and you know there's these asana perform in standing, sitting, lying, proline, supine positions, or inverted postures. The warming of yoga is performed with the Surya Namaskar. So performing any kinds of asana, first of all we have to perform the Surya Namaskar, sun salute stretching exercises. So these are slow stretching activities in which heart rate, breathing rate, and body temperature remain normal. The effect of asanas are internally felt and not observable. It improves the physical and mental ability to great extent. It increases the concentration and control our behavior. To show the positive effect of asanas is a long process, but the results are permanent. It also cures various disease and chronic health problems. Thus, it has therapeutic effects. It improves the physical fitness along with good health to great extent. Asana should be performed in duration of 30 seconds to 2 minutes. So any asana when we are performing, its timing should be 30 seconds to 2 minutes. The breath should be controlled while performing asana. It should not be performed immediately after meal. After meal only we can perform only one asana, that is a Vajrasana. So we have to understood about the, so you know that they are the 12 step are watching you in this Surya Namaskar. So in 12 step we can make the warm up of yoga asana. Now you have to our asana as a preventive measure. So preventive measure asana as a many asanas have great curative, preventive and therapeutic effect. These can cure and prevent many chronic health problem or disease such as the orthopedic related. So asana can prevent and cure many orthopedic related health problems like kyphosis, round shoulders, lordosis, scoliosis, knock knees, bow legs, flat foot, neck, spondylitis, etc. So these are all kinds of orthopedic related deformities and disease we can also prevent by the asana. Next, diet related. Asana can prevent and cure many diet related health problems like diabetes, obesity, underweight, constipation, food intolerance, gastric problems, and many more. So, by the diet related any kinds of problem, we can also cure by the asana, performing asanas. Next, concentration related. So, asana prevent and cure many health problem related with the concentration. It remove stress and tension, control anxiety, stabilize mind, and improve the memory. So, by the when we performing these asanas, we can also improve our concentration power. Next, immunity related. So, asana improve the immunity to great extent, thus prevent cold, cough, viral infection, communicable disease, asthma, and many more. So many kinds of diseases it can be prevented by the when we perform the daily asanas. Then we can also improve our immunity power. So dear student, you are watching that immunity is very important for us from protecting us from many kinds of the disease. Now we have to talk about the cardiac related. So asana prevent and cure many cardiac related problems like heart attack, coronary artery disease, heart failure, and varied blood pressure, high or low, abnormal heartbeat, etc. So many kinds of the cardiac related problem we can also prevent by these when we perform the regular asana, pranayam, these all kinds of. Next, neuromuscular related. So asana prevent and cure many neuromuscular health problems like paralysis, sciatica, and psoriasis, weak muscles, cramp, etc. Also improve the various sense organs like eyesight, smell power, touch sense, etc. So neuromuscular problems we can also remove and improve the neuromuscular cells by the performing yoga and these all kinds of asanas and pranayam. Remove body waste. So asana remove the body waste efficiently, thus prevent and cure many health problems. It improves the excretory systems of the body, thus health is improved. So you know that the remove the body waste removing is very important for us. So by the when we performing the asana pranayam, we can remove body waste immediately, quickly, without any problem. So it is a very important for us. Next, improve the body system. So asana improve the whole body system and they work very efficiently and in good coordination. Thus, the whole body works efficiently and effectively. So dear student, the all topic you have read about the asana as a preventive measures. So I think that you are understanding whatever I am teaching to you. So you have to complete your work and show me. Question answer is very important, so you have to complete, and already I have given to you the PDF of the all chapters, so please you complete every kinds of work, objective questions, and 3 marks question and 5 marks question. So okay, thank you, bye bye.